63-year-old Charles Tasso was at his dialysis center when his heart went into AFib.
I mean, I thought it was an elephant sitting on my chest. That's the first time I had experienced any pain.
Deep breath in, out.
Dr. Michael Chan used the Absorb stent for Charles, who already has traditional metal stents. It's made of polyactide, which is similar to what's in dissolvable stitches. The stent dissolves in 3 years, so the artery is flexible again.
It allows us theoretically to have less inflammation because of that, and also reduces that risk of clot formation that can form late on stents because of that metal exposure.
But an FDA review showed an 11% rate of cardiac problems like heart attack and a 1.9% rate of blood clots after 2 years with the Absorb stent. This compares with 7.9% and 0.8% with a metal stent. Abbott Labs and Dr. Chan say the right implantation technique and the right patients minimize risk.
I think if it's not used in the proper setting, that the risks are higher. We've seen that in smaller vessels, that heart attack risk, as you mentioned, and the risk for clotting are higher.
19% of people in the study had arteries that are too small for the device under usage guidelines. Removing their results equalizes findings.
As technology evolves, there are many in our field that feel like this will be the next generation.
Dr. Chan will keep using the Absorb stent on patients who fit the stricter criteria while the FDA does more study. I'm Marty Salt reporting.